All right, so I asked y'all earlier about what I think these are. Most of you had it right. It is exhaust. I have the turn downs right under the cab, and even when Larry said he was in it with hearing protection, it is extremely loud. The cab's gonna quieten it down some. You know, I wanna use this truck to give rides and stuff like that too, so I do want to I still want it to be loud, but not right under the doors, okay? And I also don't want exhaust fumes blowing on people when they're getting in and out of it, or you're starting it, or if you're in a parade, something like that. So what I'm planning to do is just put two 6-inch stacks in the back. They're gonna be bullhorn type. They're gonna be 6-inch, it's gonna reduce down to 4, and then there's a cone and ball basically that seals when the bed comes down. So I've got those ordered. Those should come in hopefully this week, and get those put on maybe next weekend, get them welded out. But anyway, just the reasons are, don't want exhaust in your face when you're getting in and out of it. Also, parade, stuff like that. It's just extremely loud at ground level. It's still gonna be noisy, it's still gonna be loud, but it's gonna be up high and above the cab. So anyway, one of the reasons I'm doing that. Appreciate everybody watching, everybody liking, subscribing to the videos. Our subscriber count is going up. It is helping fund the build on this project. Hopefully we have the LCD display, should come in another week or two, hopefully. We'll get some of that buttoned up, and then I can get mostly everything ready for the cab. Cab should be probably, we're looking at maybe around the 1st to get that for delivery. And I should have everything ready to put the cab on by the time it gets here. Getting everything sealed up. One of the biggest issues that will probably be sealing the back of that cab. There's a hump where the back seat is basically, and there's no support under that right now. I'm gonna have that whole floor bed lined, and I'm gonna put a nice new back seat in it, but I'm gonna have to support that. It's on an arch, so I'm gonna have to support it and seal it at the same time. So I've got some design that I'm gonna have to do when I get the cab on it, lift it up and down, kind of build some support, stuff like that. But anyway, nothing major. We can get through that. But like I said, appreciate everybody watching, and catch you on the next video.